should we do something frozen? I have got some pan au chocolats that Carl picked up for me, and they're just brilliant for getting to know your air fryer with some frozen bakery goods. You can swap it for whatever you want. You know, if you're in Germany, then the strudels are absolutely amazing from frozen. Or if you're in the US, cinnamon rolls from frozen are also fantastic. Just think of one of your favourites and then we can go from there with it, because then you can see what it's like when it's cooked from frozen. When we were making for you the complete air fryer cooking guide, it was all about me fitting in as many of the most popular foods that you cook in the air fryer. So we had space, I think, for something silly like 292 entries. And I was there, and I think I was at about 280 of the most popular foods. And I asked the team in our publishing house, am I missing any? Am I missing any good ones that you could think of? And they actually said pan au raisin, pan au chocolat. So we had to include it, you know. And I thought about it and I think to myself, that is a cooking time that you would want to know for the air fryer. So according to the complete air fryer cooking guide, and it's in the frozen chapter, 10 minutes, 160 Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit for your pan au chocolats. So, shall we do this? So I've got 4 in a pack here. I don't need 4, so that's the beauty of it, you know. You could cook 1, 2, 3 or 4 and it'll keep the same cooking time. Look at those babies. Oh, the kids will be happy. I'm picking them up from school in an hour and they have this on the menu. Yummy. So, air fry basket out. Let's add 2 of them to the air fry basket, shall we? Pop them in. And like I said, 10 minutes, 160 Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit, and then we can come back and see how they're doing. Turn it on and you're looking for a temperature of 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit. And then a cooking time of 10 minutes and then press start. I am Sam, and the thing I created for you that I'm the most proud of is our air fryer cooking guide. I had a gut feeling that as an air fryer user myself, this is what we all need the most. A time and temp chart that has almost 300 everyday foods in it with tried and tested times and temperatures, all of which are for the most popular foods ever. I let Sophia loose with a copy so she can show you just how amazing it is. From its beautiful design to the amazing pages that are loaded with all your favourite time and temps by food category. But the best bit is the magnetic strip that lets it sit so perfectly on your fridge. Simply search Air Fryer Sam and Dom on Amazon or go to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/books to grab yourself a copy. And we've beeped. So, shall I show you these pan au chocolats? They are done. Oh, wow. The crispy texture on that pastry is amazing. They're just so good. And then if you wanted something else that you could start out with in the actual making something yourself, another great is actually to do homemade sausage rolls. If you check out our YouTube channel, we have actually got a video for them. And what you can do there is the paper that comes with your puff pastry, which is like a baking paper, you can actually line the air fryer with that for when you're doing your sausage rolls, because it can make your prep so much easier and keep your air fryer clean. And then the other question we often get asked about baking in the air fryer is what can you use and what can't you use. So you can use paper liners, baking paper, parchment paper, no matter what you call it. Any foil in there as well. Just remember not to preheat with just it sat there, because it will blow up into the air vents. You can also use stuff you would normally use in the oven, as long as it fits your air fryer. So think your favourite little casserole dishes, I mean, in our first cookbook, we actually used some mini casserole dishes for a self-saucing pudding, and they were brilliant, and that was a bake from a few years ago. So we do have a brilliant baking category in the complete air fryer cookbook. So if you are struggling and wanting to get into baking in the air fryer, then that is a brilliant starting point. So now let's get the pan au chocolats out and we can bake team scones. So, oh, don't they look lovely? I can't believe how good they look. A lovely crispy texture there on them as well. Oh, I'm in love. So I'm just going to put the air fryer to one side and find a plate for these. So grab out your favourite plate. And there you go. 2 pan au chocolats ready. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.